Bruce, any chance I could contact you directly, either by email or otherwise? Yeah, here's how you can contact me. Facebook, type in Convocourses. Instagram, type in Convocourses. You'll see me. And then the main way to contact me is email. Now, I get a lot of emails, so just bear with me. If I don't respond to you within a week, within a few days, go ahead and just email me again. Say, hey, Bruce, I sent this, and then I'll eventually get back to you. But there's my contact information right there. Ike says, agree with you. Your course on risk framework and processes are great. Do you plan on cover the CISSP domains in the future courses? Any recommendations about training provider online for CISSP prep? If I was like in this day and age, in the decade of the new century of social media, what I would do now, you got to remember, I got my CISSP before social media, which is crazy to think about, but I mean, it's a long time ago. I were to study it now, what I would do is I would start off with YouTube videos, free. They got tons of YouTube videos that touch each domain. I would look at those boring ass videos. I would go through those first. I would still stick with the book because that's the best way I learn. If you study a lot, how your most effective way of learning. It's audio, or it's kinetic, tactile, or it's visual, like you have to see or watch something. I would encourage you, what I would do now, if I was in your position, getting the CISP, going for it, learning it, I would do all those. I'd do audio, visual by going on YouTube, watching free videos, going through it, maybe taking some notes. Then I would go through and get the book, the official book, and go through line by line, paying very close attention to the objectives, because that's where the questions come from. Focusing on the objectives. Then I would go to that CCCure site and take tests. Anywhere you can get free practice tests, that's what I would do, because that really helped me out a lot. Let me see if I can find CCCure real quick. It used to be free. Now I guess they've expanded quite a bit, but this site their tests were amazing. And if you could find if you guys can suggest a better place to find these practice tests that's free, then just let me know, because I don't think that this one's free anymore. I think it's like $30 a month or something like that, but it's worth it. If it's $30 a month, it's worth it, because you're going to take the test for a couple months and then boom, you're done. So yeah, that's what I would do. I would first go watch videos, get myself ready, take some notes, go through all of it. Then I'd buy the book, go through the whole book, read it, research it. Then when I was ready, I would go ahead and take practice tests. Or you can do some combination of the two. Go ahead and take a practice test, fail it miserably, figure out what domains you're really weak in, go and focus on those domains. Like it's up to you, but those are a few resources you could use to prepare for the CISSP. All right, guys. Thank you guys for participating. Appreciate everybody. Again, here's my contact information. I'll get to you when I can. I got some other videos and stuff I need to do on my other channels, so